Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the FM radio on the Mi A2 Lite smartphone. Now before you begin you need to make sure that you've updated your system to Android 9 Pie. If you're still using 8.1 this feature is not available. You will also need a pair of headphones to plug into the top port in the top of the phone. If you haven't got a pair of headphones the radio function will not work. So first of all, if you haven't updated, you can usually update through the system settings. So I'm using version 9 here, so the menu may look slightly different, but generally you swipe up and you select settings, which will be under letter S. And then from settings you want to go to system, and then you want to go to advanced, and then you want to select system update and follow the instructions on the screen if you haven't updated. If you have, we'll go to the next step now. So from the main screen again, swipe up to reveal your apps, and then go down to the letter F, and under F you will see FM for FM radio. Click on that. So first thing you need to do is to make sure you've plugged in your headphones. If you don't, this will not work. Once you have, you can click on the little dashes down the bottom here, and you can select scan, and it will scan for the radio stations in your region. This will take anywhere from 30 to 60 seconds, so be patient. Okay, once all the stations are added, you can then scroll up and down and select a radio station of your choice. Because it's FM, it will not display the names, but you can kind of just guess after some practice which stations are on which frequencies. You can also just up here use your finger to fine-tune the frequency if you want to. And you can also as well, providing that you keep your headphones plugged in, click on the three little dashes up here and you can select switch to speaker, and the radio station will then be played through your speaker rather than your headphones, but you do need to keep your headphones plugged in for some bizarre reason. So basically that's how you kind of do it. So again, just click on the little dashes and select your frequency and just select them and listen to the music as you please. So just remember, for this feature you will need Android 9 and you will need a pair of headphones. Any kind of headphones will do, just any kind of MP3 headphones which fit into the top jack in the top. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.